Hi there, in this quick video, you will learn how to add a Twitter destination to your Switchboard account and go live. Let's begin. On the workflow page in your Switchboard account, press the Add Destination button. Choose New Destination. Select Twitter from the list. Press Authorize Switchboard Live. A new window will open, giving you the opportunity to log into your Twitter account. Once you've logged into your Twitter account, press Authorize App. Close. Finish. Great job! We have successfully added a Twitter destination to the Switchboard account. When you're ready to start multi-streaming, start sending video from the encoder into your Switchboard account. Check the Switchboard Confidence Monitor to verify that you are receiving video from the encoder. Click on the pencil icon to apply a template to the destination group. Select the destinations and press Go Live. Within a few seconds, you'll be multi-streaming. Click on the Twitter icon to view the broadcast. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and watch other tutorials to learn more. Thanks for watching and happy multi-streaming!